dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So dear students, today let we start GK Unit 4, Geography and the World, chapter number 23, Minerals of India. So let we start the chapter. India is rich in mineral wealth. So there are many different types of ores and minerals found here. So there are various minerals and ores are found in different regions of the country. So match the ores and minerals in column A to the region where they are found in India given in column B. So let me start column A and column B. So first one is mica. Bihar, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Option J. Number 2, bauxite. Bihar and Odisha. Option A. Number 3, iron ore. Option C, Odisha. Number 4, diamonds, I, Madhya Pradesh. Number 5, nickel. Option E, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Number 6, copper. Option B आएगा इसमें कश्मीर, बिहार and Tamil Nadu. Number 7, manganese. Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Option D. 8, gold. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. G. Number 9, petroleum. Gujarat and Assam. Option F. Number 10, coal. West Bengal and Jharkhand. Option H. Okay, so these are the minerals of India. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. Worldwide capitals and currencies. So students, here are flags of some countries with their names. So write the capital, city and currency of each country in the boxes. One has been done for you. Number 1, Bangladesh. Capital is Dhaka and currency is Taka. Now next one, Pakistan. So capital is Islamabad and currency is Pakistani rupee. Islamabad and currency is Pakistani rupiah. Okay. Now next one is Nepal. Capital is Kathmandu. And currency is Nepali rupee. Next one, Japan. So capital is Tokyo and currency is yen. Number 5, Bhutan. Capital is Thimphu. And currency is Ngultram. Okay. All F. Now next number 6, Sri Lanka. So capital is Colombo and currency is Sri Lankan rupee. Number 7. Next is USA. Capital is Washington, D.C. And currency is US dollar. And the last one, number 8 is China. Capital is Beijing and currency is yuan. Beijing and currency is yuan. Okay. So these are the capitals and their currencies. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 25. World famous bridges. These are some famous bridges. Bridges yani pull around the world. So tick write the names of the countries where they are located. Okay. So let me start. Number 1, Bandra Worli Sea Link, India. Number 2, Sunshine Skyway Bridge in USA. Number 3, Helix Bridge in Singapore. Number 4, Millau Viaduct, France, in France. Number 5, Ponte di Rialto, Italy. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 26. So the chapter is International Organization. A voluntary group of organization is a group of individuals who enter into an agreement as volunteers to accomplish a purpose. So look at the logos, read the clues and write the names of the biggest international voluntary organization. So let me start. Number 1, DASH was created by the United Nations General Assembly on 11 December 1946. So activities are healthcare for children in poor countries and family planning programs, और headquarters है इसका New York, USA. So this is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, यानी कि इसको हम शॉर्ट में यूनिसेफ भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Children's Emergency Fund, जिसको हम यूनिसेफ भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Next one, number 2. The DASH is an agency of the UN. Activities are observation, human rights, okay, eradicating poverty and focusing on education, science and culture. ठीक है. Headquarters Paris, France. So this is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. United Nations Educational Scientific and Cultural Organization. Next one, number 3, UNDP, So this is the United Nations Global Development Network. Activities is focused on education, employment and health issues like AIDS and mother and child nutrition. Headquarters in New York and USA. This is United Nation Development Program. United Nations Development Program. Okay. Now number 4. ICRC. International Committee of the Red Cross is the International International Committee of the Red Cross is the world's largest NGO. Activities are protecting the victims, prisoners and civilians of war. Headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Number 5. CRY. Child's Child Rights and You. Child Rights and You. Child Rights and You means is a non-profit organization established in 1979 by Ripan Kapoor. Activities are restoring basic rights to children such as education, health and nutrition and protection from abuse and neglect. Headquarters in Mumbai and India. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 26. Famous travelers. Many curious and brave travelers made epic journeys to different parts of the world. During a time when there were no modern modes of transports, so these pioneers spent time on the roads to study the arts and cultures of the places they visited. So read the clues below, look at the pictures and name these hardy travelers. Okay. Number 1. Considered the most famous Arab traveler, he traveled for about 40 years, covering 1,20,000 kilometers in trips to China and Sumatra. Ibn Battuta. Number 2, an Italian adventurer. He was the first European to discover the Silk Route to China, Marco Polo. Number 3, a Greek historian who visited Chandragupta Maurya's court. He authored the book Indica, Megasthenes. Megasthenes. Number 4, a Chinese traveler who visited India in 402 AD and translated many texts into the Chinese language. He is Fa Hien Tian. Number 5, a 17th century French physician and traveler. He was the personal doctor of Aurangzeb. He is Francois Bernier. Okay, so these are the famous traveler. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 28. So chapter number 28 is different houses. So name the different types of houses which are made across the world. So number 1 is a house made with mud, hay and down. So this is kacha house. Number 2, a beautiful house often seen in cities. Beautiful house often seen in cities, bungalow. Number 3, a very big high building in a metro city. So these are the skyscraper. Skyscraper. Number 4, a house on wheels. This is karma. Number 5, a house made of thick canvas tent. Number 6, a house that floats on water, houseboat. Next, number 7, a building with multiple houses, flat. These are the flats. Number 8, a house raised on piles over the surface of the soil or a body of water. Stilt house. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 29. Worldwide religions. All people in this world worship the God Almighty in their own style. Religion is a system of beliefs that relates humanity to spirituality and sometimes to moral values. So there are roughly 4,200 religions in the world. So descriptions of some major religions are given below. Choose their names from the help box and write. Okay, so let me start. Number 1. This religion is widely practiced in South Asia. It is the oldest religion in the world. It was founded by ancient sages. Temple is the places of its worship. About 14% of the total world population believe in this religion. Hinduism. Number 2. This religion is based on the spiritual teaching of Guru Nanak, the first Guru, and the 10 successive Sikh Gurus. So it was founded some 1500 years ago. So the place of its worship is Gurudwara, and the sacred book is the Guru Granth Sahib. So this is Sikh hymns. Number 3. The religion is one of the most ancient Indian religions. The three main principles of this religion are ahimsa, yani ki non-violence, and anekantvada, yani ki non-absolutism, and aparigraha, non-attachment. So those who rediscover truth, dharma, are called Tirthankaras, there have been 24 Tirthankaras, Shvetambaras, clothed in white, and Digambaras, sky clad or naked, are the two sects of this religion. Jainism. Number 4. It is also an Indian religion founded by Gautam Siddhartha Buddha. It is the world's fourth largest religion. Buddha was born in Lumbini, Nepal around 563 BC. Its places of worship are called viharas, yani temples, and monasteries where monks reside. Buddhism. Number 5. It is the world's second largest religion. Followers of this religion believe that there is only one incomparable God, Allah, and that Muhammad is the messenger of God. So the followers of this religion offer namaz in a masjid. Their holy books is the Quran. मुस्लिम्स कहते हैं इसको इस्लाम धर्म कहते हैं मुस्लिम होते हैं जो इस्लाम धर्म को मानते हैं इस्लाम. Number 6. This religion was founded by Kung Fu Tissu or Confucius, who was born in the state of Lu in China. So this religion came into existence around 500 BC. It is also known as Buddhism. Followers of this religion do not require any church, temple, or mosque for offering prayers. It is followed in China, South Korea, Taiwan, Nauru, and Vietnam. This is Confucius. This is Confucianism. Confucianism. Number 8. Number 7. It is one of the world's oldest religions, also known as Parsi religion. So it was founded by Zoroaster, who was born in Media, now Iran, around 500 BC. The sacred book of this religion is the Avesta. For offering prayers, the followers go to the fire temple. So this is the Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism. Number 8. This religion, also known as Taoism, is of Chinese origin. It emphasizes living in harmony with the Tao way. Tao is a fundamental idea in most of the Chinese philosophical schools. Its sacred book is the Tao Te Ching. This is Taoism. Number 9. This religion is based on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. It is the world's largest religion. Its most sacred place is Jerusalem, where Jesus lived and preached. Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem around 200 years ago. Christianity. Okay, so these are the different kinds of that. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.